everyone, welcome back to the Sarah channel. Today I'm going to be sewing a shirt just like this one, except for it's not going to have stripes. It's going to be lighter. It's going to be probably a little bit longer, and it's not going to have these things on the sleeves. It is going to be 3/4 length sleeves, but this is the color. Oops, got stuck on the needle. This is the color. It's 100% cotton, and it's like a light pink color. It has these little crinkles in it, so I don't know. It's just really pretty, and it feels really soft, and it's nice and thin, so it'll be cool in summer. I'm doing this without a pattern. I'm just going to be tracing the edges of this shirt, probably not even using measurements or anything. First, I'm just cutting off these little edges because there's like lots of scraggly threads on them. So I'm just making it a clean cut so it'll be easier when I'm sewing. Okay, and now I'm just cutting the fabric in half. I cut out the back of the shirt by folding the fabric in half and then just kind of copying the shape of the shirt in half. And now I'm just going to do the same thing with the front of the shirt because this is the back side of it. And then I'm going to start sewing. I'm gonna cut the sleeves a little bit more because I tried this on and it wasn't fitting right, so I'm going to just make a little adjustment. I'm now done cutting out the sleeve. Basically what I did was just got a big rectangular piece of fabric and shaped it to the right size of like the shirt and everything. And then I added this extra stuff so that it could be more space around my body, but then it'll get smaller so that my arms won't have these huge sleeves on them. So this is actually a very easy sleeve to make. There is a more complicated sleeve that you can make, but it's really complicated like I literally just said, but everybody uses it. I don't know why, but this one is easy and it works. I love it because it's easy, simple, and it feels great. So what I'm going to do to sew this sleeve is I'm just going to hem it at the end, and then I'm going to sew this bottom part. This is two different sleeves, so I'm going to do it separately to the two different ones. And then we're going to connect it with the shirt being inside out and the sleeve being inside out. We're just going to connect it here, and then we will be finished with my shirt. Woo! This is the finish line. All I have to do is sew here and then I'll be done. Here's the finished product before I iron the creases and stuff because it's still used to being inside out, so it's gonna be like a little puffy, bubbly. Right there, I need to maybe not iron it, but just like press down on it and get it used to being right side out. But here's the back. The way I did the sleeves makes it so that you can reach really high without stretching out the under part of your arms. And I mean, it does give you a little bit of extra space down there, which might look weird. I don't know, it doesn't really look that weird to me. But it does make it more comfortable because you have that extra space to like reach up do jumping jacks and stuff. But yeah, all I need to do really is just iron it a little bit. I hope that this inspires you to create your own shirt and gives you some ideas for how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe for new videos every Saturday. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!